online class. In today's class we will discuss some revision questions for your test on 21st December. Okay. So which chapter? It is trigonometry chapter, correct now? So in that first of this type of questions, that is find the values of the following. So this type of questions are important for 2 marks. Okay. Yes, first one is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. So what is the value of this one? You know the table, correct? No? Table you know. So you should know the trigonometric table. Otherwise you can't simplify this type of question, right? So now what is that values of this? I will write only sin and cos values. Okay. So sin and cos theta, sin and cos theta, correct no? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, correct no? These are the standard values. Sin 0 is what? It is 0. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1, right? Yes, now what is the value of cos? Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, next is 1 by 2, sorry 1 by root 2, next is 1 by 2, next is 0, right? Next, what is the value of tan? How to find tan value? It is sin divided by cos. 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity, right? Next, cosecant. What is the value of cosecant? Reciprocal of sine. 0 reciprocal is infinity, 2, root 2, 2 divided by root 2 and 1. What is the value of secant? Secant is a reverse of cosecant values, right? Or reciprocal of this cos. So secant 0 is 1, secant 30 is 2 divided by root 3, secant 45 is root 2 and secant 60 is 2 and secant 90 is infinity. Next, what is the value of cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. Those things you know, right? You should by heart that table. Otherwise, you can't answer this question. Yes, now what is the value of sin 60? Replace the values. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Once we will read this, sin 60 into cos 30 plus cos 60 into sin 30. Okay. Yes. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is what? Root 3 divided by 2. Correct no? Which is equal to cos 60 is what? Not equal to, plus, sorry. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2 into sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Correct no? Yes. So now which is equal to, see here, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, right? These two are multiplication. If it is multiplication, numerator, denominator, we can cancel if it is same. If it is not direct multiplication, so root 3 into root 3, so many times we repeated, root 3 into root 3 is 3, otherwise I will write 3 into 3 is root 9, divided by 2 into 2 is what? It is 4, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means multiplication of numbers. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is what? It is 4. Clear? Yes, which is equal to root 9. Is that perfect square number? Yes, it is perfect square number. So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is what? 4, 3 into 3 is what? 9. So what is the square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. So it is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Next, which is equal to, see here, 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. So what is the meaning of this? We should add this, correct? No? So means LCM. So denominator is same, means what is the LCM? LCM is that number itself. LCM is that number itself. So now how to get numerator? Numerator is direct addition, that is 3 plus 4. Sorry, 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 3 plus 1 is how much here? 4 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 ones. So answer is what? 1 divided by 1 means it is equal to 1. So what is the value of sin 60? Cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30 is 1. So therefore write the conclusion. Therefore sin 60 cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree, which is equal to 1. The value of this is equal to 1. This type important for 2 marks. I will give 2 marks 1 question of this type. Okay? Yes. Next, second question. Cos 60 degree into cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree into sin 45 degree. Yes. So now cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 minus sin 60 is what? Root 3 divided by 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Correct now? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So now which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Is it possible to cancel here? No. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. It is not equal to root 4. So this is surds, this is natural number. We can't multiply the numbers. Okay. So it is 2 into root 2. If it is x into 3. So how we are writing? We are writing 3x. Correct now? 3x. So x is different, this 3 is different. Okay. So similarly root 3 into 2, it is not equal to root 6. This number is different and this number is different. See the difference. So it is 2 root 3. Yes, here 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 minus. So now root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So now again, is it possible to cancel numerator, denominator? No. So root 3 into 1 is 1 root 3 means it is root 3. 100 into 1 is how much? It is 100, right? 50 into 1 is how much? 50. So root 3 into 1 is what? Root 3 divided by 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. Clear? Yes. Now 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So what is this? Is subtraction. So how to take subtraction? See the denominator. Denominator is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means same denominator. If it is same denominator, what is your LCM? LCM is that itself, that is 2 root 2. Now what is your numerator? Numerator is same, it is 1 minus root 3. Numerator is 1 minus root 3. So this is your answer. Here no need of rationalizing this. But in the application of trigonometry, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression, in that you have to rationalize the final answer. Here it is not necessary. It carries 2 marks. Substitution carries 1 mark and this simplification carries 1 mark. Okay, so it is 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So therefore the value of what is that? Cos 60 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree, sin 45 degree, which is equal to 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Important for 2 marks. Next question. Sin 45 degree, sin 30 degree plus cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree. Yes. What is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is what? It is root 3 divided by 2. Correct, no? Yes, which is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 is 1 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2. So it is 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. It is 2 root 2. Yes, it is 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So addition. See the denominator. Denominator is what? 2 root 2 and 2 root 2. So denominator is the same, means take LCM. So and what is our LCM? LCM is 2 root 2. LCM is 2 root 2. If LCM is the same, then how to get numerator? It is 1 plus root 3. It is 1 plus root 3. Again, rationalization of this one is not necessary. Therefore, the value of sin 45 degree, sin 35 degree plus cos 45 degree and cos 30 degree, which is equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Next question. Cos square 30 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus cos square 60 degree plus cos square 90 degree. See here, it is cos square 30 degree. You know the value of cos 30 degree, correct? No? What is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So, cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree means, suppose it is a square. So, a square can be written as a into a. Correct, no? 2 times. So, similarly, cos square 30 can be written as what? Cos 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Is it correct? Yes. Now, cos 30 is what? Root 3 divided by 2 into cos 30 is what? Root 3 divided by 2. So, now, suppose it is x into x. How we are writing this one? It is x square. So, x into x we are writing as x square. So, now 2 into 2 we are writing as what? 2 square. Correct, no? Similarly, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 we can write as root 3 by 2 whole square. So, now how we can write this cos square 30 degree? Cos square 30 degree can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. Clear, no this? Yes, now we will substitute here. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. So cos square 30 is whole square. What is whole square? Root 3 divided by 2 whole square plus cos square 45 degree. What is the value of cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. Next plus cos 60 is, what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, but cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 90 is 0, cos square 90 is 0 square. Is this clear? Suppose if it is tan cube 45 degree. Tan cube 45 degree. So how we can write this? Tan 45 is 1. Correct? No? Tan 45 is 1. So tan cube is 1 cube. Clear? No? Tan cube 45 means it is 1 cube. So similarly these things. That is cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 90 is 0 square. Clear? Yes. Now next, this is equal to is root 3 by 2 whole square. How we can simplify this? So I'll write here root 3 divided by 2 whole square. This can be simplified as a square can be written as what? A into a. Already you know, right? A square can be written as what? A into a. So similarly, root 3 by 2 whole square can be written as root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 divided by 2. Is it right? Yes. So root 3 by 2 whole square can be written as root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus direct, otherwise instead of writing directly you can write answer also. Okay. Yes. Okay. So 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by root 2 whole square, this can be written as 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 0 square can be written as 0 into 0. 0 into 0. Is this clear? Yes. Now which is equal to, already you know, right? Root 3 into root 3 how much? Directly I'll write as 3. Okay. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 9 means it is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus 1 into 1. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Correct now? So 1 into 1 is 1. Root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 2 into, already you know this. Root 2 into root 2 is, it is equal to what? Root 4. Root 4 means it is equal to 2. See, here you can multiply numbers because this is third and this is also thirds. Correct now? So we can multiply the thirds which is inside. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 square root is 2. Clear? So here 1 into 1 is 1. Square root of 2 into square root of 2 is what? It is equal to 2. Plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus 0 into 0 is 0. So that I am not writing here. Clear? Yes. Now simplification. So how to simplify that? It is 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 means addition. See the denominator 4, 2, 4 different, right? If it is denominator is different, so take LCM. So LCM of 4, 2, 4 is. So we will see what is the LCM of denominator 4, 2 and 4. So I will repeat here again. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Yes. Now you have to take LCM, correct no? Because different. Yes, so 4, 2 and you studied in your lower class, so 4. Yes, what is common factor for all those three numbers? 2, correct no? So it is 2, 2 how much is 4? 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again these two numbers, the common factor is 2. 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, correct no? So therefore LCM is what? 2 into 2 is 4. Correct no? So LCM is 4. Yes, which is equal to, so 4 is LCM. Now 4 how much is 4? 4 1s are, correct no? 4 1s are 4. Next 2 how much is 4? 2 2s are into 2. Next 4 how much is 4? 4 1s are, so into 1. Clear? Yes. So 3 into 1 is what? 3 plus 1 into 2 is what? 2 plus 1 into 1 is what? It is 1. So which is equal to 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4. So can you cancel here? Yes. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. So it is equal to 3 divided by 2. It is equal to 3 divided by 2. So therefore the value of this one. Therefore write the conclusion. Therefore cos square 30 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus cos square 60 degree plus cos square 90 degree. So it is equal to what? It is equal to 3 by 2. Clear? Yes. The next question. 2 sin square 30 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree plus tan square 60 degree. Yes, it is 2 into sin square 30. Correct no? 2 into. So it is 2 into sin 30 square. Sin 30 is what? It is 1 by 2. So sin square 30 is 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 into cos square 45 degree. So it is 3 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos square is 1 by root 2 whole square plus tan square 60. Tan square 60. So what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. Correct no? Root 3. So tan square is root 3 root 3 whole square. Yes, now which is equal to, this is 2 into 1 by 2 whole square can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Clear? Yes. Minus 3 into 1 by root 2 whole square can be written as 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus, so root 3 whole square can be written as root 3 into root 3. Clear? Yes. So now this, see how to read 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 2. So can you cancel this 2 and this 2? Yes, you can cancel. Why we can cancel here? See, 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. Correct, no? So numerator is 2, denominator is 1. So in this numerator is 1, denominator is 2. So numerator and denominator 2 cancels. Correct, no? Yes, which is equal to, this is cancelled. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 minus, see, 3 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Can you cancel any number here? No, you can't cancel any number. Correct, no? Yes, how to simplify? Yeah, 3, numerator. 3 is in numerator, right? 3 means it is 3 by 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 divided by root 2 into root 2. Already you know that it is root 4. Root 4 means it is equal to 2. Clear? Yes. Plus now root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? It is root 9. Root 9 means it is 3. So here is only numerator. So I make it as 1. So divided by 1. Clear? Yes. Now 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3. But for simplification I wrote as 3 by 1. 3 by 1 and 3 both are same. Clear? Yes. Now again I will write here, it is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Then it is easy to take LCM. So now here addition or multiplication, addition or subtraction. So denominator is what? 2, 2 and 1. So different, correct, no? So that's why now take LCM of it is 2, 2, 1 is. LCM of 2, 2, 1 is. So what is LCM of that? How to find 2, 2, 1? Correct, no? 2, 2, 1. So 2 is common factor. 2 ones are and it is 1. So 2 into 1 into 1 into 1, the LCM is 2. So what is the LCM of 2, 2, 1 is 2, right? Yes, 2 is LCM. 2 is LCM. Yes, 2, how much is 2? 2 ones are. So into 1 into 1. 2, how much is 2? 2 ones are. So into 1 and into 1. So 1, how much is 2? 1 2s are. 1 2s are 2. So into 2, right? Yes. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Correct, no? Yes. Now 1 means it's what? Plus 1. So here I do simplification. 1 minus 3 plus 6. 1 minus 3 plus 6. 1 means it is plus 1. Correct, no? Yes. Plus 1. First I do these two simplification. Plus 1 minus 3. Addition or subtraction? It is subtraction. Why? Different sign. So 3 and 1. The subtraction is 2 and the greater sign is minus. So what is the answer of plus 1 and minus 3? It is minus 2. So for that answer, do this one. So minus 2, next what is left? Yeah, plus 6. Different sign, again it is subtraction. 6 and 2, the subtraction is 4, the greater sign is plus. So what is the final answer of plus 1 minus 3 plus 6 is plus 4. So it is plus 4 divided by 2. Can you cancel? Yes, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we'll get as what? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means it is equal to 2. So therefore, what is the value of this question? The value of that is equal to 2. So you should write the conclusion. Therefore, the value of 2 sin square 30 minus 3 cos square 45 degree plus tan square 60 is equal to 2. Next question. Tan square 30 degree plus tan square 60 degree plus tan square 45 degree. Yes. So which is equal to tan square 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan square is 1 by root 3 whole square plus tan square 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. So tan square 60 is root 3 whole square plus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 is what? 1. So tan square is 1 square. Tan square is 1 square. So which is equal to 1 by square root of 3 whole square. So can be written as 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 plus, so root 3 whole square can be written as root 3 into root 3 plus 1 square can be written as 1 into 1. Yes. Now it is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 divided by root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9. Root 9 is, it is 3. Correct? No? Yes. Plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9. Root 9 means how much? It is 3. Plus next 1 into 1 is how much? It is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Yes, now how to simplify? See here, 1 divided by 3 plus 3. 3 can be written as, or yes, 3 can be written as 3 divided by 1. Correct, no? And 1 can be written as 1 divided by 1. Or else, first add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much here? 4. Next take LCM. Both are same, okay? See this simplification as your wish, okay? So 3 can be written as 3 by 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 divided by 1. I follow the same method what I explained in previous questions. I explained in previous question as taking LCM, right? So here also I take LCM. Now 3 denominator 1 and 1. So what is the LCM of? What is the LCM of 3 comma 1 comma 1? Yes, what is that? 3 comma 1 comma 1. 3 comma 1 comma 1, the LCM is, so 3 is a factor, correct? No, 3 ones are these as it is. 3 into 1 into 1 into is 3. So what is the LCM of those numbers? Which is equal to 3. So LCM is what? 3. Yes. The numerator 3, how much is 3? 3 ones are, it is 1. So 1 how much is 3? 1 3s are into 3. 1 how much it is? 1 3s are. So into 3. Into 3. Yes. Now 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Correct, no? Yes. 1 all same sign. Correct, no? So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 divided by 3. So what is the value of this one? The value of this is equal to 13 divided by 3. So conclusion is the value of tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus tan square 45 degree is 13 divided by 3. So here main thing is to simplify this type of questions, you should know the table. Don't by heart all the values of table. Already I explained in class how to remember those values, right? So follow that method and try to remember those values and simplify. This type is important for 2 marks for your test. Okay, so this is 2 times revision, right? So already I did in regular class once revision and this is one more time.